In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix SteelSeries Arctis Nova Elite not connecting. The first thing that you want to do is to simply repair the dongle, which is going to be the 2.4 gigahertz. Now to do this, it's going to be extremely simple. You want to plug your dongle onto your computer, but before you do that, you just want to hold click on the button right here, which is going to be the huge circle button. From there, the menu will show up on which you have to twist this knob until you navigate through the wireless option. Just click on the huge button once again and it will take you to this page. Now we have two modes, which is going to be the 2.4 gigahertz, which works best with our computers, and we also have Bluetooth. You want to simply click on the 2.4 gigahertz to make sure that we have the best connection with our headset. Now, you then want to navigate through your earphones and hold click on the power button for around 4 seconds until it blinks rapidly. From there, it basically means that the headset is on pairing mode. So navigate back to the knob right here and then it will say pairing successful. After that, you also want to update the firmware and software. You want to open up the SteelSeries GG, which is going to be the main application for SteelSeries. Navigate through the settings and then you want to check for firmware updates. We can also hard reset the headset by removing the ear cushion on the side, and from there you will be able to see a tiny hole. You can just use a paper clip or a needle to press on the tiny button or the tiny hole for at least 1 second, and from there you just want to repeat the first step, which is repairing the dongle. Now, of course, you also want to check for physical connection. You want to ensure that the dongle is plugged directly into a PC USB port, avoiding USB hubs. You want to check if the wires are damaged or not. Now, on Bluetooth side, you want to turn off Bluetooth devices on something like your phone, your consoles, and more. Ensure that the headset is on pairing mode and it's ready to connect with the USB dongle. And lastly, for the last fix, you want to install a new driver for Windows. Basically, in the device manager, you can just type device manager on your computer. From here, you then want to look for the sound, video, and game controllers. And from here, we have different drivers to simply customize. Let's say that this is the SteelSeries right here, which is going to be Realtek. You can just right click on it, click on the update drivers, and make sure that you have installed the latest drivers for the Windows right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.